Welcome, explorers. Today, we are embarking on a fascinating journey to explore the mesmerizing Kekova sunken city, nestled in the region of Lycia near Antalya, Turkey. We are setting sail from the port, ready to explore the wonders that await us. Keep your eyes peeled as we navigate through these enchanting islands, each with its own story to tell. As we navigate towards the sunken city, we cross several sailboats and small islands ready to be explored. Kekova is a true gem waiting to be discovered. The blend of history and natural beauty makes this place truly unique. It's believed to have been established by the ancient Lycians, a civilization that thrived in the region around 300 before Christ. The Lycians were known for their distinctive tombs, which you can still find scattered throughout the landscape. You can check our video on the Myra rock tombs as well if you want more information. The city boasted remarkable architectural features, including well-designed houses, agora, and other structures. Some of these structures are still visible beneath the water, providing a ghostly glimpse into the past. In more recent times, archaeological excavations have unveiled fascinating artifacts, giving us a clearer picture of daily life in Kekova. Amphorae, pottery, and other remnants provide valuable insights into the culture and trade of this ancient city. Did you know that Kekova is not only an archaeological site, but also a protected area? The sunken city and its surroundings are part of a restricted zone to preserve its historical and natural significance. The demise of the Kekova sunken city is attributed to a series of earthquakes that struck in the 2nd century AD. The ground beneath this once thriving city shook, causing parts of it to collapse and sink into the Mediterranean Sea. Nature truly coexists with history here. We've got a friendly turtle joining us on our adventure. These waters are home to a diverse marine life, making it a perfect spot for both history enthusiasts and nature lovers. As we wrap up our exploration of the Kekova sunken city, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. There's so much more to discover, and I'd love to have you along for the journey. Until next time, thanks for joining us.